Oh my gosh. Okay. I apologize for all the noise going on right now. Like, part of me is like, maybe I must just mute and then we can try this again later, but oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, here we go. You know, we're gonna have some absolute chaos. Hopefully it's done by the time market opens. You know, the garden service just always has to come at the worst possible time. Yay, okay. I think, nope, not yet. Sorry. The garden service is here and they bought leaf blowers, yay! So it's just noise right now. It's just so much noise. I'm so sorry, guys. So that's why I muted. Wait. Oh my gosh, I can hear myself think. Can I? Nearly. I can nearly hear myself think. I apologize for the noise. I might just mute one last time until they properly go away. Wait. Okay. Just as I get excited thinking that they're about to leave, they come back with more noise. So clearly, I just have to be louder than them. Yeah? There we go. Whew, absolutely frustrating. Okay. This is annoying, that's annoying. Everything about this morning was annoying, but it's fine. Well, they're not annoying. Let me be a little bit more of a positive chappy here. It was not that bad. Damn, I didn't even take out Asia though. Okay. Took out Asia high very quickly, so that's fine. But let's see. This is now London low, noise. Well, London high, not London low. Talking rubbish. This one here is London low. Okay. Hey Lawrence, how you doing? How's it going? Are we all ready for today? Are we excited? This candle looks like it was absolute madness at news time. Let's see, how big was this? $111 points. Wow. Okay, cool. Cool. So let's see what happens now. We're just gonna go with it. Let's see how we go. How we do. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so first things first. What do we think is gonna happen now? Oh my gosh, I can hear myself think. I can actually hear myself think. Wow. Sorry, you know, it just... They always pick the worst times. Hello, how you doing? Ayusha? Ayush. I'm sorry, I don't know where I got the A from. How is it going, everybody? What do we think is gonna happen now? Are we gonna keep climbing? Are we gonna have a little bit of a drop down? What are the thoughts for today? What do we think is gonna be the thing today? Let's have a look at the higher time frames. Okay, 15 minutes. Ayush, I'm from South Africa. Yeah, I'm currently in South Africa. I mean, huh. Hello, Doc Angel. How are you doing? Are you ready? Can you hear the noise in the background? Or is it only bothering me right now? Just out of curiosity. Hey, Nox! Does it have to though? No, joking. Oh, so much dust. It's so hot here today. Oh my gosh, my poor horses. I felt a little bit bad for them. I was like, I'm so sorry. Ooh, okay. Very much still bull. How wild was that candle at news? Ooh, okay. Let's see. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. So, did a fib estimate. Looking for 24216. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Anyways. Perfect play? Okay. You don't think about it, you just trade the chart. For me anyways, thinking needs to bias, and bias almost always gets me killed. Oh, that's interesting. But I mean, sometimes when I don't think... Welcome to the chaos, guys. There's chaos going on today. With the garden service here with leaf blowers, my dog going crazy because the garden service is here with leaf blowers. Anyways. Ah, nice. Dark Angel? Yeah. Well, I mean... Okay, anyways. I mean, it was 111 points, so I didn't watch it. I just saw it now and I was like, oh my gosh, 111 points is crazy. Also, Dark Angel, what did you use? Oh, what did you use? What did you have for breakfast? Okay, thank you. I was just about... John, hey, how's it going? And Mazia, how are you? No, don't worry, Nox. We all try to predict what's gonna happen. Are we right? No. I think we sometimes like to pretend that we are going to be right, but we are never right. I apologize for... Ta-da, okay. Ooh. Damn, I'm so hungry. That's amazing. Marzi, are you in a trade already? Okay, cool. How long have you been in a trade for, Marzi? Good morning, Bob. How's it going? How's it been going? So, I think you deserve a ridiculous whoop whoop for that comeback you had yesterday. What the actual heck was that? Wow. Ooh. Nice, Jetwolf. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I had. Anyways. Yeah, Bob. I think Bob deserves a very special... Oh, sorry, Marzia. Sorry. Was it a stop loss or was it a break even? What was it? But I think right now, Bob deserves a special Dead Wolf song. Just saying. Here we go. This is just for Bob. Oh my gosh, there we go. If I didn't freaking mute things. There we go. Now it's just for Bob, sorry. Yeah, well, let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, peace. Oh. The garden service isn't here for long, but when they are here, oh my gosh. You know when you get like an instant headache? Because they always come around the time I want to start streaming, and I'm just like, oh. Hey LP, how's it going? Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, life gets... Oh my gosh. Well, I did not see that coming. I guess that's to potentially fill the gap. Okay, well now let's fill the gap. Is it gonna go back up? Oh, Diamant, I hope so. How did I do this morning? This morning was so frustrating. High Life can be my witness, so can I just show you guys what happened this morning, just while we wait for that to calm down. Holy moly. Okay, anyways, I did not see that coming. So, this morning, London session. Check at this. Look at this. I literally got wicked out by, well, let's call it 2 ticks. I got wicked out by 2 ticks. Would have been a perfect flipping win. Then it had taken some liquidity. I had this set up and thought, I don't know, it's just taken some liquidity. It would have, again, just tagged me in. Would have been a perfect win. And then this one I thought about. It didn't take, I mean, it had started to slow down, but it would have also been a win, but alas, here we are. It's fine. Yeah, Bob, so let's see. The losing streak is not over yet, so let's hope for some wins today. I'm really sick and tired of having a losing streak. It's not for me, just saying. Not having fun with it. And I think what's frustrating is that if I hadn't have overthought things there, it would have, but then in the same breath, watch, if I hadn't have overthought things, it probably would have stopped me out, just because the market thinks it's funny. It's more like equalize, actually. So let's see, hopefully I get a win so that we don't have Salty Maya anymore, because Salty Maya is not fun, right? Salty Maya is a bit of a bummer. So let's all hope for a win so that we got Happy Chappy Maya going. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I mean, he's doing his best. Being the best guard dog. I love him to bits and pieces. What? Diamantic, you think it's going for a gap fill at 900? Hey Jason, how's it going? So, I don't trade ICT, I use some ICT concept. Anyways. Can you see my brain going, freaking out a little bit? So I must just, maybe I need to go make myself some tea. No, but water's good. It's been a hot day today. I think it was 27 degrees while I was riding my poor horses. They were not impressed with me. Ooh. Yep. Yes, a lot of steam. Oh. Hey, Richie man, how's it going? Oh, thank you. How's your trading week been going? I'm just gonna wait for a confirmation of structure before I get overly excited, right? I know don't be overly cautious, but in the same breath, if I do dumb things, I'll feel better being overly cautious than just hopping into something silly. Okay, I think everything's gonna calm down now. Oh my gosh. Breathing. Ah. Damn, Diamante. Okay. Where was your entry, Diamante? Was it up here? And you are going all the way to 900. Okay. Let's see what happens. Because this would look like this. I'm not going to take this before people panic. I'm not taking this. I'm waiting for a confirmation for me. Again, this kind of looks like a good trade, but let's see. Okay. Went at 940. Damn, okay, so right at the bottom there. You went for it. Take the trade. I will regret. I will regret taking the trade. Or I will regret not taking the trade because, I mean... the slow climb up is giving me hope. Sorry, I'm just looking at the random messages coming through. I'm like, what? No. Anyways. It appears to be the latter. I will regret not taking it. Oh, for crying out loud. Let's see. Oh, wait. Frankie B, look at you, you're so smart. How did you know I would regret? Either way, I'm gonna regret, right? Do you mind time waiting? You got an error? What's up? Oh, Nox. Oh, no! What happened, Diamante? Why? What happened? You were in timeout. Uh-oh. Oh, Nox, you coming here with fighting words. Frankie B. You funny, eh? Ah, weird. I don't know, it kind of looks like it wants to just sit and chill on VWAP now. think I have to start trusting the market again. I think the market was all over the place Monday and Tuesday. And now I'm not trusting anything. Well, for me, it felt like it was all over the place. I could be wrong. I know for some people it was amazing. But right now, yeah, I think my brain's just going, I don't trust anything. Which is bad. I shouldn't be thinking that. Here we go. I am gonna feel like a chop, but it's fine. Basically. Ooh, Dark Angel, okay. I do agree, but I wonder, is it gonna come down all the way to Asia low and then go back up there? Oh my gosh, it would have been so close to TP. I mean, I would have been break even now, but anyways. Hi, Stefan, how's it going? But not 100%. I think I'm just gonna have to learn to trust the flipping market again after Monday and Tuesday, where it was just all over the place. Now I gotta trust that after news it's gonna actually just do what it's supposed to do, honestly. Just maybe not be such a diva, as Joan would say. Where is he? Ooh, a little bit of support over here. Someone really doesn't want it to go a little bit lower. What's it looking like? And ding ding ding, of course it would have been a winning trade. Why would it not have been a winning trade? Anyways. Yeah. Okay. Well, it has taken those now, so let's see. So gonna keep going down to 900 Diamante, or because that's slowed down. There's some proper fighting going on. Yeah, basically, guys, listen to Nox. If I say I'm nervous about this trade, I'm not going to take it. It's probably going to be a winning trade. If I take it, it's probably going to be luck. Oh, Bob, maybe I need coffee again. No. Hey, Presidian, I am being one. Nox, you say that, but to be fair, this would have been a winning trade, Presidian. I've just not had a great week. I'm in a little bit of a losing streak for this week, which is driving me a little bit crazy. Monday and Tuesday were not great. The markets felt like they were all over the place for me. Just personally. Oh, I get yelled at. Huh, okay. Diamante, what? 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 I mean, every setup would look like so. It is stuck above VWAP on ES, but we are below VWAP on NQ. Thanks, Dark Angel. Yeah. I think that's just it. It's fine, right? It's just a streak. We will get through it and we will be better. That's okay. Why are you sorry? No one can guarantee that the market's going to do something. I have learned that. If this is now gonna be a win, I'm gonna have a meltdown. You see, Dark Angel, the problem was this one was an A+1, so I should have taken it. It was A+ with the... oh, for crying out loud, I'm gonna keep forgetting the name of these. The two fair value gaps. I know the name, I promise. It just goes poof out of my head. This one, not so much A+ because it did take some liquidity and I'm not liking what it's doing on ES. So I don't feel too bad about this. And also this, this engulfing candle up was a little bit nerve-wracking. Yeah, that's exactly. Me and you have got this, Dark Angel. And again, watch. Because I didn't take it. It's probably gonna be a win. Okay. Dark Angel, it's your job. Next time, just yell at me. Just say, just take it. Okay. And Nox. Nox, you can do the same thing. Next time, just yell at me. Just say, stop overthinking, and just take it. Check, that would have... oh, I don't know if it would have tagged me out yet. But that is on the tick. Consolidating on ES. No ways. Yep. Hey, C-Stream. That's awesome. Well, hello from South Africa. How's it going that side? Oof. I don't think this would have tagged me out. That would have sucked. Sorry, I'm pulling a face at this thing talking rubbish. Should maybe turn the subtitles off of my face, hey? It's very loud subtitles that go on there. Hasn't taken that liquidity yet. What's it bouncing off of? Let's see. Oh. Hey, Envy, I know. I know. This is the second one I didn't take. That looks like it would have been a win. Which means, knowing my luck, if I take the next one, it's gonna be a loss. I just have to get over it, right? Just get over it. Just take the trade and get over it. I've been in this slump before, and the only way to get through it is to just start taking the trades. That's it. Okay. Let's check the 5-minute. It was just really slow, but I wouldn't call it clustering. I guess a little bit here. A little bit. Not hectically, though. Damn. C-Stream, that was very aggressive. Sorry, Nox, that was very aggressive. Yeah. Ooh. This right here is a point of interest. Let's see what's there. Whoa, 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 time out, time out, time out, C-Stream. Yeah. We are nice here, I'm just saying. We are friendly people. And we treat everyone with respect here. I hope. We joke around and we cause rubbish, but we're good. I mean, it's really taken it on the 1 minute, so... Is it still a point of interest or not really? It hasn't taken it on a higher time frame. Like a genuine question. If it's taken the point of interest in a lower time frame, is it still a point of interest? Or not really? Okay, let's see. Oh, that would have annoyed me. To be fair, I probably would have called it there. Or gone break. I have no idea what I would have done, to be fair. Either it would have just ticked me out or it would have ticked me off. So, you know, the usual. Interesting. Okay. In all honesty, it just kind of looks like it's being tracked on VWAP. Kind of on both, but yeah. Damn, Diamante. Whoa. Diamante, did it get you? Oh my gosh. Cool. That's 2 in a row of trades that would have been wins that I didn't take. So it's going great. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. Cool, Diamante, I'm glad. Because that was okay. That did a proper... Oh, it went to VWAP on ES and it just bounced off of VWAP. Cool, nice, interesting. So... Presidian, you think so? Entering a short again now that it's taken all... I guess it looks like it's creeping towards Asia low. Ooh, actually, that's a good point. It is creeping towards Asia low, but is this not my... But with a wick this big... The analysis... What did you call it, Nox? You were very spot on. Analysis paralysis. Definitely, kicking in. Made me nervous. I'm not gonna do it because I feel like it's FOMO and a little bit of revenge trading. I know I just sound like I'm coming up with excuses, but with that little tag down, see, that would have tagged me out, but Presidian, you did say this, wait till 10. Oh, it is nearly 10. Oh. Also, hey Karen B, how you doing? What's the high probability? Yeah, ES is not looking great for once, which is weird. I don't think I've ever said that about ES. Huh, Presidian, you did kind of call it, huh? Yep, you called it. Nice, nice, nice. Let me go grab a hammer and nails. Because, oh my gosh. I really do wonder if it's gonna come down, grab Asia low, and then there's shush hardy does. Did you guys hear them? You guys are lucky to not have hardy does. Oh my goodness. They make so much freaking noise. I don't know if you guys heard that, but just as I said that, they cried out loud again. Karen B, yeah, I use some of the concepts, but this is my own little strategy that I came up with. I'm assuming you meant ICT, right? Or did you actually mean ICY? That's okay. Oh. Let's see. Hey Ricky, how's it going? Apple butter jeans, how you doing? Apple butter ES looks shocking right now, and I don't think I have ever said that, but ES looks very chop chop. How, yeah, what are your thoughts for today? Ricky, I'm not gonna lie, Monday and yesterday were not great. And this morning I got literally wicked out by basically a tick, and there would have been a winning trade, and then I was overthinking everything and I missed 2 winning trades. Y'all have just witnessed me missing out on another 2 winning trades. So it's not going great. I think, yeah. I think I just have to stop overthinking everything a little bit. Which is easier said than done, but yeah. The X-Man said hi. Hey, how you doing? Nice. Green Day, Ricky? Yeah, Ricky, oh yeah, you did. You saw the pain in the butt. Well, I then have missed another 2 winning trades, so that's fun. That's fun. Hey, Alfred. I just have to get out of my head. I need to go back to my Zen zone, or whatever you want to call it, my whatever zone, and just go with it. Literally. And that's how it's feeling right now. I was doubting this. I'm gonna come up with an excuse and just say that Monday and Tuesday's charts were a little bit all over the place, and because of that I'm not trusting the charts and the stock market at the moment. I know it's a little bit of an excuse, but I'm sticking with it for now. Okay. Hey, the X-Man, what's up? What you confused about? Ooh, what? Oh my gosh, Ricky, well done. That's amazing. Holy moly. Yeah, but, and you know what? Apple butter, sometimes I have to remind myself that not trading is still trading. I think Dark Angel's on a call. Are you over here biting nails, Bob? Bob, are you in something? Wait, no. Wait, don't tell me, because sometimes when you tell me, it feels like they don't work out. So you can tell me afterwards and I can give you a whoop whoop or a wop wop. Ooh, nice. Oh, you don't have a meeting today, Dark Angel. Awesome. Bob, how's it looking? What's up? What do you have going? Really? No. I've been enjoying it except for literally Monday and Tuesday. The rest of the days I've been enjoying. Sorry, I can't make up my mind about what I want to do. Whoop whoop doesn't feel like it cuts that, Ricky. Damn, well done. That's impressive. Baby trades. I use some ICT concepts. Yeah, apple butter, I used to also think that, but sometimes I do need to remind myself that not trading is still trading sometimes. Just watching what's going on is still counts. Hey! Gulam? I want to say Gollum, but I know that's not right. Huh, I really thought it would come for... Oh, wait. Is it? Oh, it's the 10 a.m. potential shift. Or is it? Are we just gonna keep... Let's see. Nice, Karen. Very good. Ricky, no. I don't. Not really. No. Gulam. There we go. Thank you. Just dying. Give me a minute. Just dying on water. It's okay. It's waterboarding myself. Ooh. Whoever said trading is boring clearly did not drink water while doing it. Woo! Okay, I'm alive. We're fine. Any tips for new traders? Oh my goodness. Ooh. Psychology. I'm just saying that because it's what I'm struggling with at the moment. Putra, hi. So just psychology, have a strategy that you like, that works for you, and stick with it. Yeah, try not to overcomplicate things. That's it. That's basically where I'm at. But everyone else in chat might have some better, more sound advice because they are more seasoned traders. I'm still a new baby trader. Yep, there we go. See? Karen's got this. See? There we go. Oh, that's... Wait, Ricky, do you trade the whole day? Do you take a break in between? What do you... Yeah, actually, I don't think I've ever asked you this. There we go. So psychology and strategy. Sorry, I'm talking weird. It's because of nearly dying. Anyways. What color is it? What color is what? I'm just gonna lie and say that's what I've been doing for these last few missed trades. I've just been testing it. Just been doing a little bit of forward testing, you know, nothing serious, it's fine. I am of course talking absolute rubbish, but you know. This is a potential goodie if it comes down this far. I don't know if it will come down this far though. I'm gonna set it up. Like I said, I don't know if this is gonna tag me in. It kind of looks like it. Hey, apple butter. There's a little bit of resistance there. There's probably a big seller who doesn't want that liquidity taken just yet. I'm assuming. Obviously, I cannot see. Oh, interesting. Unless targets are hit on all accounts. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, and how long do you do that for, Ricky? Is it kind of like a whole day situation? $955 TP for buyers. Oh, is that what you got? Well done. Sorry, it took me a minute. I was like, what are you going on about? Whoop whoop, well done, Diamante. Ricky, I'm wanting to agree with you. I think so too. But hear me out. If it comes back to get me, I'll cancel it if it takes the liquidity on ES and here. Theoretically, I don't know if it will yet though. Only reason I'm saying this is because we got a bunch that theoretically should be in our favor. We got VWAP over here. We have a order block and a fair value gap that is protecting this trade, except for the fact that now it's probably going to take, there we go. Never mind. It took the liquidity I was waiting for it to take. I was hoping it would do a little retest before it went and did that. It did not, so that's fine. Oh, nice, Ricky. Okay. And then are you done trading for the day now? Or are you still gonna have at it? I wonder if it's now just making some equal highs, or if it's actually gonna start climbing properly. Really? You think so? I don't know if it's gonna come back this far, but like I said, there are a lot of confluences that are in my favor, if you will. Let's do that, let's see. Oh, well, whoop whoop, Ricky. Damn, look at you go. Flipping cool, kid. You wanna give me some of your luck? That'd be great, please. That'd be awesome. Would much appreciate, thanks. It's nasty, nasty time, why? Minute. Minute. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Well, I'm on the MNQ. Maybe that's why. Ricky, are you just trading NQ? And I'm on the 1 minute. Huh. But it was perfectly on VWAP. I was really hoping it would come grab that. This is making me nervous though, the fact that it's done that. Are you good? Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe, Ricky, maybe. Right, Ricky? I get a little bit of hate for it sometimes, but I like the 1 minute. It keeps my brain busy, so for those of you that do not know, I clearly have ADHD. That's why I always have to be like squishing something or playing with something. I have a little squishy thing that I can throw around and play with. But then the 1 minute helps keep my brain busy. Let me check here. 2 minutes. We've got this, and VWAP, and a fair value gap, but it no, this is almost directly in the middle of the fair value gap. This, yeah, let's see. Yeah, Ricky, so I mean, you saw that I jump between the 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then I go to 15 minute and 1 hour for confirmation of structure. Ooh, Dark Angel, where's your limit order placed? Please don't say it's by my stop loss, because that'll make me cry. This could be a really, if it doesn't tag me in, that'll just be yucky. Oh, it's gonna be yucky. Thanks for the kiss. That was very wet. Thank you. I appreciate it. Poop. Oh, okay. Maybe it just wasn't meant to be today. At 9:30 for an entry. Ooh, okay, cool. Okay, Dark Angel, let's see what happens. How do I know if a strategy really works long term? I guess the win rate? Yeah, wouldn't the win rate dictate that? You must be joking. Come on, get me and Dark Angel. Come get us. Oh, interesting. Let's see. It kind of just looks like it wants to go up, up, and away right now here. Ooh. So, okay, even if this is a loss, I will not be upset about it because this is like an A+ trade for me, but it just doesn't get me. I guess it doesn't get me. Hey, Dark Angel, same for you, I guess, right? Oh. Well, I mean, win rate and loss rate, you know, if you have so I have a 2R strategy, but I think, yeah, it's a 40% win rate. It's still a winning trade or winning strategy because of the 2R win rate, because you are gaining more than you are losing. See, now this doesn't look great, does it? Dark Angel, how are you feeling? What's your thoughts? What you thinking? I was wondering why I looked so pale. There we go. That's better. Better. I was like, that doesn't look right. If I was to buy from that low, I would wait for the half of that bottom candle to be touched. Interesting. Okay. Are you talking about this one, Ricky? This white candle here? Oh, come join my salty disposition, shall we? We can be salty sisters. Oh, okay, yeah, you're talking about this one. Sorry, I only saw the second message now, sorry. Huh, interesting. Well... oh well. Dark Angel, maybe... I think you've been hanging out with Bob too much. That's a very Bob thing to say right there. I'm just saying. Clearly you guys have been chatting. I can see it. Yeah, Diamante, true. I mean, Dark Angel, it's kind of solid. I don't even know. It might still come back down a little bit. Okay, so Ricky, yours would be entrance at basically the center of the doji, right? And then your TP would be at the equal highs, or like the top here, or this top white candle right here at 24 on the dot. VJ, hey, am I there? Yeah, what's up? Laura, hi, how's it going? How was gold? No, sorry, I lied. You're not trading gold. How was DAX? How was the DAX today? I mean, yeah, I guess. Yeah, okay. Interesting. Wesley? No. No reason. I started with futures and I'm still new and that's it. And I'm trading the MNQ, so the micros, so I don't blow through my capital. Well, I don't want to say figuring things out. I feel like I've got it. It's just I'm figuring things out with the psychological aspect. So. Also, hello. How are you doing? No, I do not have a bot. So, no. Oh, no. Oh, interesting. How long have you been trading for, Wesley? Diamante, this was the perfect opportunity to pretend to be a bot. I'm just saying, you missed opportunity there. You could have been like, bot? No. I don't know, try make... I guess it's difficult to type a robot voice, but anyways. Oh my gosh, so I've since April, so yes, a twinsies. Well, close to twinsies. Close enough. Woo! Here comes Diamante with the lapbacks. Anyways. Don't trade on high impact news. There we go. Nailed it. Absolutely nailed it. It's Juan, so you're not trading today then? Well, today or tomorrow, I guess, because there's CPI then tomorrow as well. No one hasn't taken that. Let's see. Let's see. See, and now you get the different traders coming into play. Wesley, how you been finding it, by the way? If you're still there. That's Abby? So my brain went to it's the bee. I don't think that's right though, but yeah, the brain's not braining, so. Oh, okay, bye Ricky. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Hopefully you get to now go and chill after having such great success. I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully. Have a good one. Dark Angel, how you, if you're still there, how you feeling? There we go. And then, Bob, are you still in this? Like, part of me is scared to ask Bob. And Apple Butter, how's it looking for you? Sorry, no, I'm throwing names out there, but yeah. How's all the trades looking for you guys right now? Ooh, nice, Diamante. Whoop whoop indeed. Wow. Wow. No, well, no. In South Africa, this is all during the day. I need my sleep. I would be a grumpy human being if I did not get my, well, no, I get various stages. I get like a crackhead. So if I do not have sleep, you guys will see that I'm just like, drrr. I promise I slept last night, but anyways. And then I just get to grumpy. You don't want to see Grumpy Goose. Bob, right? Right? Had so many good things. It's fine. It is what it is. Whoop whoop, Wesley. Well done. That must have felt amazing. Yeah, Dark Angel, 100%. I think someone needs to give someone a call and tell them to stop their shenanigans, okay? Tell them to get a grip. And if we can stop with this consolidate, move thing, that'd be great. Anyways. Oh, yeah. Oh, High Life, Euro killed you on the 4-hour time. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry, High Life. Womp womp. Join the dark side. I got cookies. Do I? I don't have cookies. I finished the cookies, yes. I'm sorry. You're just gonna have to join the dark side and come deal with me. Probably not a bonus, but anyways. United States is just waking up. 10:22 a.m. Is that just waking up? Guys, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I don't have an alarm. My brain just goes, okay, it's time. And that's it. Hey, well, you know what, Apple Butter? That's perfectly fine, right? I mean, technically, I haven't taken a trade yet. I'm sitting here waiting for a potential decent one, but it just doesn't want to come and get me, apparently. Which is rude. What if it's just the resistance from the fair value gap that's now just like, eh. Kind of blocking it a little bit. Oh, guys, welcome, 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 welcome. I think we're gonna have like a little, I don't want to call it a losers table because that sounds really bad because we aren't losers, but you know what I mean. Hey, Starlight for real, what? Am I up one the day? What? Am I up on the day? No. No. I should have been. But no. I'm just sitting here waiting. I don't think this is going to be a trade. I think it's just going to keep running off without me. Just slowly climbing, which is bloody rude. But anyways. Hey, it's bad. How's it going? And AJ, how are you? Interesting. Diamante, note to everyone, what up? Hi, life. It's not my fault. I was feeling upsetty yesterday and I ate all my cookies. What do you want from me? Okay. Gotta let a girl upset eat, okay. Hey, Emmett. How you doing? Laura, don't you worry. Yeah, it's fine. There's gonna be those days, right? And you just have to pick yourself up and carry on going. I think it's just run away. Dark Angel, you also out? Starlight for yes, I'm trading on TradingView. Ooh, ice cream. Oh, ice cream. Ah, damn it. Ice cream sounds really good right now. Dark Angel, do you still have it placed or is it now invalid? Was it not invalid yet because it hasn't taken your equal highs? They were okay, they were just Mario biscuits with tea. So I guess, yeah, they were actually really good. Bob, you missed everything. No, I'm joking. Bob, is it a whoop whoop or womp womp? Which one am I saying right now for you? Oh, thanks, guys. Yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind slapping, apparently, that like button, that would be awesome. Oh, nice. Okay. What are you trading, Starlight, for real? Sorry, I'm not pulling a face at you guys. I'm pulling a face at this thing having a moment. Anyways. Ooh, nice. Okay. Are you hoping for a bullish, bearish? Hoping for it to get out of this resistance? That'd be great. Vitio, hey, how's it going? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back. How are you? Ah, boring. Tell them to just stop. No, I'm joking. I get it. Gotta prioritize, you know. Education is important, but trading's importanter. Just jokes. Just jokes, guys. Well, I get cancelled for saying that, damn. Okay. Hey! Yeah, samesies. Oh, nice, yeah. Oh, nice. Wait, what? Are you not going to try get another job? You're just going to go straight into trading? What's the plan there, Vito? I'm conflicted. Da, 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 da. I don't know what to do. Bam, 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 bam. Ooh, Ricky. Okay. Here, at this point. That's valid. That's valid. I get it. So then you're just gonna chill and do the trading life. I like it. That's driving me crazy. Oh gosh, look at that. The trade I was thinking about. I mean, to be fair, it is... I don't know. Nice, where's your TP at, Ricky? Oh, nice, BTO. Okay, that's valid, that's valid. Looks pretty good. Which one? Apple butter, this one. I'm just absolutely hating that ES and NQ look so different right now. I need to get out of my head, but anyways. 1030 reversal, what do you think it's gonna start coming down then now, Timonte? Huh. Which way, OS? Bullish or bearish? I should have taken this one. It is still a bullish trend on NQ at least, for now. Oh, I'm gonna be grumpy. H? For highs? What up, Starlight for real? What does H mean? Yep. 100%. But which way? Starlight for real, I want to agree with you. It's just hit a little bit of a support area. Video, you're looking for shorts. Okay. Okay, bye, Ricky. Yes, go. Turn your PC off, go chill. I'm leaving this up just out of curiosity to see if I would have been correct with that. This would have made me cry. Look at that. Just a little tippy tap. How would? Nice. Well, let's see. Sorry. Whoa. Okay. A long day. If we're actually being honest, it's actually just consolidating right now on NQ. Like, it's just jumping around. Which sucks. Where's 930? Oh, 935. Nice. Okay. Okay, that's actually a very good. No. Hey, Shady. I was wondering where you were. How's it going? You hope. Yeah, well, let's see. Let's see. Did you see another squeaky toy? This? It's not really a squeaky toy. It's just... it's something I can squish. Yeah. It's fun to just squish. Shani, 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 you're yelling at me again. What did I say about yelling at me? You make me nervous. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, break even's still great. Is it working? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Bob, has it hit your TP, by the way? Perfect play. Are you asking where the shark is? Like, for the shark cage diving? I'll tell you that story now. Hello! Oh no, I'm conflicted. I'm conflicted. Go up. I don't know. Don't be nervous, don't be nervous. Are you nervous? No. Oh my gosh. So, I need a wiggle for Bob and clap for BTO. Got it. I'm not in anything, and I don't want to get into anything until the chop has stopped chopping. Oh! Oh, he's here! I forgot about him. Hey! I forgot about him. This one's just a bit more squishy. I have too many things to squish. Here's another little bear. It's very cute. I have a little penguin as well, but that's like a crocheted penguin. Sorry, I have a lot of things to just keep me busy. I'm so sorry. Let's see. Ah, interesting. Okay. So do we think it's gonna break the fair value gap, or is it gonna respect it properly? Like I said, I absolutely hate when the two charts are this different. ES and NQ look completely different right now. Oh, well, Dragon, how you doing? Ooh, nice. Okay, okay. Oh, but I'm not trading around then, OS, so that doesn't help me. Bleh. Yeah, choppy indeed. It's why I had a nice setup here. It didn't come and tag me though. That's what this is. This is my confluences for why that was a very decent trade to potentially have taken. Yeah, I'm just... If Arcade was here, like he says, don't diddle in the middle, and I would be diddling in the middle if I tried to even attempt to trade this. Let's not test how bad my luck is, shall we? Okay. Video, let's go! Marzia, I agree with you. I 100% agree. I think we sits and we waits right now. I mean, the volume's even not that high at the moment. Let's see. 17. Yeah, this is not great. Anyways. Got in the short on ES, but you're not loving it. Why? What's up, AZ? How's it going? Ooh! Nice! Whoop whoop, Welsh dragon. Damn. That is amazing. Well done. I'm sure you are super happy now. Can you all, with the good luck, send some my way? Maybe you guys need to wiggle your fingers at the monitor and send some of the good luck my way. Okay, bye! Market makers are making... Yeah, 100%. See, don't diddle in the middle. Right? Wait for something. Some movement. Apple butter, I agree. Okay, cheers, Nausea. Go and make it extra strong for me. Maybe it's just one of those days I don't get a trade in after I missed 3 winning trades earlier in the session. Thanks. Interesting, Welsh Dragon. Yeah, now you're just like, whatever. Listen, I do get that, but I don't like the losing streak part. It's freaking me out. No, not freaking me out. It's just, I think frustrating me is maybe the better thing to say. And because for me, I struggle to read the market, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Because I struggled to read the market Monday and yesterday, I was not trusting it, which is why I didn't take this trade, which would have been a win. Samesies with this one would have also been a win. Oh well. OS, I'm sorry, what? I'm gonna need pig feet. That should do the trick. Is that a thing? Changing TP to 949. Where 949 on? Nope, that's closer here. Okay, okay. Yeah, perfect play. And I'm trying to be really strict with myself now and not do something I will regret, which is have FOMO and try and trade this. Even though part of me wants to. I'm just going, nope, not worth it. No, nope. Yeah, you're right, Wolf Dragon. Gotta be happy chappy. That's exactly. So I need to just, like I said, it's a little mind. I'm trying to keep it PG-13. A mind puzzle. Well, a mind puzzle I'm just having to work out. Hey Bob, what's up? How's it looking for you? I'm scared to ask, but I mean, it's slowly going up. Yeah? Oh, see, now I'm conflicted. Yeah, true. Oh, see, now I was playing with the shell. I keep forgetting about my shark. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing with my shark now. Yes, but I'm trying to stay PG-13. I'm not gonna say it, but yes, that's what I was thinking. Anele? Hello, how you doing? How's it going? What am I trading? I'm trading NQ, or MNQ rather, if we're being more specific. Oh, Bob, wow, you got balls of steel today, my man. Well, actually, yeah, you had balls of steel yesterday. And today, apparently. Nice, look at you go. Oh, okay. Thanks, Presidian. But enjoy work. I hope it's going well. Yeah, I haven't seen you in the past while. I was actually thinking of you yesterday. But I hope work is going well. Not everywhere, Izzy. It depends on where you are. In South Africa, PG-13s are definitely not in school. They are at home. Oh, okay. Well, give her a big hug from the random stranger on YouTube and say hi for me. But bye. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Oh, nice! Samesies! I'm also a KZN. Really? You think so, LP? Wait, you said 904. Oh, okay, no. I'm assuming you meant this one. 905. This one. You think I must just place it and stick with it? Oh, okay. Bye. Well, you know what? I'm gonna join Bob in the balls of steel, shall we? I'm gonna keep it PG-13 and just say F it. You know what that means. Let's see. It's gonna be a biggie, so let's see. 3? 3 should be fine for now. Let's see what happens. You think so, OS? In the next hour or two? Well, hopefully soon. Or it's just one of those days. Oh, Arya. How are you doing? How's it going? How's the rest of the morning? Ugh. Give me a second. I'm gonna get comfy. Oh, you're right. Oh, is this just gonna run away now without me? Okay, bye. How rude. Yeah. Then I link up somewhere just to break the market. Oh, probably. Oh, apple butter. Sorry, something was making a weird noise. Are you out? Oh. Were you in profit? No. Yes. Maybe. High life? We've got this. Look at me. Look at me. We've got this. Hey, Nox. Well... Yes and no. So I did place this trade earlier. It didn't come back and tag me in. I still don't hate the look of it, so I'm gonna try place it again. Also, it was choppy, so I don't feel bad not placing anything there because that is risque. Just saying. Curiosity is getting the better of me though, I'm checking here. Yeah, check. That would have literally taken me out to then go for a win. So that's why trading in the chop is very risky. Not worth it. So now, let's see if it comes to grab me or not. I don't know if it will though. Nearly? I mean, yeah, I guess. But soon, hopefully. What is making that noise? Wesley, that's exactly. Some days are just... Which is why, you know, practice what you preach, Maya, honestly. Some days are just not going to be your day, and then other days are going to be amazing, and you just have to keep riding the high or the lows or whatever. You just carry on. You just show up every day, and you do what you gotta do. Right? Right. Is it my microphone? No. It's not that. So I'm getting used to the KZN life. So I came from the city. Now in KZN, there's little shongololos everywhere. I don't know if you guys know what a shongololo is. It sounds like the static. If you guys know what I'm talking about, sorry. That's why I keep losing focus. Anyway, sorry. Oh, apple butter. Well, break even's still fine. You get a whoop wop. It's like a yay but that's still fine. Break even's still a win. Well, some people call it still a win. You think so? Ah, well, we might have some movement now. Let's see. You know what? But I'm gonna stick with this trade, and either comes and screws me, or it's gonna be a good one. I guess we're gonna wait to find out. Ooh, VTO. Okay, okay, okay. Bob, how are you feeling? If Bob is still here. Is it? No, isn't the shongololo the little small... The millipedes are the dangerous ones. The shongololos are the weird ones that curl up into a circle. Or am I getting them confused? Dude. Okay, wait. Was that supposed to say tunny? If that was supposed to say tunny, we're gonna have words. I'm just saying. Still targeting 940. Really, VTO? Damn, okay. Yeah, Wesley, that's exactly right. Some days are just gonna be losses. And other days are gonna be amazing. Point is, you just gotta stick with it and keep going. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. What an animal, what? But what this? Just NQ today. Yeah, Sammy. Hi, how are you doing? No, we're not, Tiny is not a thing. We're not gonna call me Tiny. So for everyone that's not, you know, doesn't know what's going on. Tiny is basically what you call, it's a respect thing, I know. But it's what you call like older people in Afrikaans. It makes me feel old. Nelio. Come here. Oh gosh. Oh my word, I'm not a tunny. I'm still a young... I don't know. I don't even know. I'm just young, okay. No way, Zanelli. I'm not getting confused. Let me have a look. See, now I've got to Google it. Shongololo. And a shush. No, so I use ICT and SMC concepts and just use them to make my own little trade, if you will. So I have my own little strategy. There we go. That's it, not trade. There we go. Thank you. Thank you, VTO. Thank you. Tell them. Young Bookie. There we go. Oh, see, thank you. And here you are, Nelio, calling me Danny. Do I look 45? Careful about what you respond. Oh, sorry, yeah, I know. And then I'm just like, oh. And even when people call me ma'am, I'm like, ma'am, do I look like my mother? And I'm like, oh gosh, I guess to some people I am ma'am now. And I don't know how to feel about this. Ooh, VTO noise. Also, Theo, hi, how you doing? Oh, Sammy, so... Sorry, just on that note of Black Mambas. Nelio, I've been trading since April, so I'm still baby trader. Just saying, not even a tunny in the trading world, okay? I'm not profitable yet. I'm still getting there. Yeah, I'm in an eval. Yes, 50k challenge with the program. I'm very open and honest here, guys. I'm not here trying to pretend that I am the #1 trader and that you guys should be learning from me. No, I'm here to figure things out and you guys can enjoy the journey of me having mental breakdowns. No, I'm joking. Every day. I know, don't worry, don't worry. I know it started as respect thing. It just turned into something else. Okay, sorry, I went on a Shongololo mission. That's what I'm on. I'm on my Shongololo mission. Yeah, it's a Shongololo. No, wait. It's the same thing. So a millipede, it's also a Shongololo. This dude right here. Yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah, 100%, Theo. Yeah, it's difficult. Oh, thanks, Michael. Yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind liking the stream, that would be much appreciated. Thank you. VTO, how are you holding in there, by the way? Yeah, everyone knows what the Tokoloshi is in South Africa. We do not mess with the Tokoloshi. So Nelio, I have a friend that is a trader and they helped me through it. I know, Tokoloshi is not a flipping Shongololo. No, that's not what I'm saying, Nox. I'm just saying South Africans know what a Tokoloshi is. And they introduced me to trading and taught me the basics, and then otherwise I've been learning from you guys. You guys have been the best teachers I could actually have. Speaking of Bob, I don't know if you're still here, but Bob, how's your trade looking? Dark Angel has another setup arisen for you, but it doesn't really look like it. It looks like it's just going to chip chop the whole time. Which is very annoying. How rude. How's this trade looking, Deadwolf? Wow. Wow. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Oh, thank you, OS. I appreciate that. Theo, is it amazing or is it just flipping frustrating sometimes? I'm very nervous because this looks like it's wanting to become a bearish trend. And I'm waiting for a potential bull. We can just wait and see, right? Frog, good morning. Is trading over yet? No. Yet he's very salty. Oh no. Why? Wait. Who's very salty? Bob or Dark Angel? Because I know me and Dark Angel are salty as hell right now. Well, I'm very salty right now. Frog, no, I missed 2 winning trades around open, and now it's just kind of been chopping. And I don't want to deal with that chop because that's just where silly mistakes are made and silly stop losses tapped. This one could potentially be a good one. I'm a little bit nervous for it though, but adjust a little bit actually. Whoop. Whoop. Let's see if it comes to grab me. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. If it doesn't, it's a loss. At least I have my confluences and I can't be upset with that. Do I trade BTC? No. No, I do not. Mula, hey, how's it going? Oh, 100% Theo. No, I'm pretty sure that sometimes when I think it's gonna go and do something, I need to just do the opposite. That's how it's been feeling this week. But anyways. We've been waiting for a little bit of something, but it's just been collecting a bunch of liquidity. So when this movement happens, it's going to happen really fast. Aw, okay, bye Dark Angel. Dark Angel, you know we gotta start rubbish here. Okay, I'm just saying. Oh no. Yeah, the markets can be divas. I guess that's true, Arya. I am. If it had to take this, then it is what it is. So, you're right. Oh, interesting. Okay. Why do you use MetaTrader 5 though, Theo? Apple butter, how's it looking for you? You still waiting? I think, yeah, apple butter, I think today's just one of those days, in all honesty. I don't know if we're gonna get something today. Ooh, nice, okay, and? How's it looking for you, Theo? OS, you really think? Okay, I'm waiting. OS, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Oh, interesting. Nelia, that's very interesting. Sorry, for those of you that don't know, they're speaking Afrikaans. If anyone is confused. I personally cannot speak Afrikaans, but I can understand it and I can read it, but if I have to try and speak it, it does not sound great. So. Really, Nelia? Interesting, okay. No. No. Can tell you that one for free. Just saying. Okay, let's see if this is literally just gonna chop for the next half an hour. I got so excited at opening. Opening was like, ooh, we got something decent. Ooh, volume's just going lower and lower. Nelio. Ons sal nou praat, né? Yeah, I can say that. That's it. Nox. Like I said, I can understand Afrikaans, so I can have a full-on conversation with someone where they're speaking, I mean, a bit like now, where they're speaking Afrikaans to me and I'm speaking English. Yeah, I don't know. I've never been great at it, but like I said, I can understand it and I can respond in English, and normally that's fine. I could just hold a conversation like that. Yeah, apple butter, it's a bit risky. Oh, it's going below VWAP on ES now. Yeah, the chop is just not great. Yeah, let's see. Like we said, this is kind of a I don't care about the outcome trade. I know that sounds bad. It does. Okay, English has lost its English, but anyways, it does sound bad. However, it's more to just help me with my mental state now of just place the trade, and no matter what, at least I've placed it. Ooh, probably. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah, no, these two are very different at the moment. I mean, it's starting to slowly resemble ES a little bit. Nope, never mind. I take it back. Okay, Ace, I'm gonna take note of it. Woo, Bob. Okay. Sorry, guys, give me 2 seconds. Sorry, that was very excited for that. Nelio, I can't answer that one because I've only ever really traded futures. No, I use a GAN. But I mean, I guess it's much of a muchness, right? No, that's okay, Nelio. It's just I've always just traded futures, so it's what I do. Sorry, I know that's probably not a very like, oh, that's so cool, but yeah, I started with futures and I want to get good at it before I try moving on or trying something different and then potentially confusing myself. Damn. Oh my gosh. Cam Brown, what do you mean by technical analysis? So I don't want to lie and be like, yes. So is it really a thing that I've never heard about, OS? Huh, interesting. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Knight. Damn. Wait, are you in this trade, basically? I'm not even in this freaking trade. I'm waiting to get tagged in for this trade. Huh. Interesting. Okay, well, which one do you prefer, Nelio? Maybe that's the better question. Wow, guys, this is actually agonizing to watch. That one would have been a scary. Would have been a win though. But anyways. Oh, I guess that's valid. Knight, I do not blame you. Oh damn, Knight, what? Okay. You're gonna be sitting here a while, just saying. Oh, interesting. Okay, cool. Well, I mean, I hear people say, I just didn't know, gave it a name. No, I just go with market structure. And I assume, like, I take a prediction, I say, I think it might want to do this or do this. However, it could absolutely not. It could do the complete opposite, right? Like, for example, opening, I thought it would have gone up, but it just dumped. Oh, interesting, Nelio. Okay, well then, there we go. Then yes, I do a bunch of technical analysis. I have a look at the fair value gaps, I have a look at the order blocks. You know, the equal highs, a little bit of the head and shoulders as well. No, apple butter, no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, that's so frustrating. But you can't be upset about it. Like this, it's not great to be in a trade when it's like this. So you can't really be upset about that. No, that's true. Sorry, back on the Black Mamba thing. So when was it? Was it Monday? On Monday. My dog wanted to go outside and he looked super curious about something. I thought it was the monkeys. And I was just like, yeah, sure, go. Maybe the monkeys are coming and he thinks it's going to be funny to stare at them. He doesn't even bark at them, he just looks at them. And then he's out there for a little bit. I'm kind of ignoring him because he's just doing his own thing. I'm chilling. And then there was just this and I was like, what the heck? Looked like something had fallen from the roof, but it actually fell out the tree. It was two snakes, two green snakes. So my first thought was, oh my gosh, it's a boomslang, which is a very venomous snake. So I was panicking. I was like, oh my gosh. And it's me inside the house, the two boomslangs, and then my dog. I was like, oh my word, what am I gonna do? And obviously my dog was curious, so he wanted to come to them. I yelled at him solidly. I was like, leave him! And shame, he was so confused, and obviously the snakes were just freaked out because they'd both just fallen out of the tree. And so that was very entertaining. I did Google. I don't think it was a boomslang. I think it was, I forgot the name, but basically non-venomous snake. So cool, but I was very ready to go and rush to the vet in case they had bitten him. Luckily he was fine. I know he was because he's a very big baby. If he was bitten, he would have been crying and making a big fuss. But he's fine, luckily. But that was a jump scare and a half right there. Nilio, I go with the trend. Okay, good, apple butter. Yay, I'm glad. That's really good. Good mentality, I love it. Bro, yeah, monkeys. Down here by the coast, we got a lot of vervet monkeys that just run wild. On my morning run this morning, I wasn't paying attention and I was running, and then all of a sudden there was a monkey right there. I was like, ooh, and I nearly tripped and fell over my own feet. That was pretty funny. Yeah, frog. Welcome to South Africa. We got lions walking around. No, I'm joking. I'm messing with you, but Chinmay, hi. How are you doing? But Hey, how you doing? Ah, interesting night. Okay. Ooh, Starlife for real. Well done. Love from India. Ah. Hi. Well, it is currently, let me tell you the exact time, nearly 5:15 p.m. here in South Africa. Yeah, listen, it's never boring here in South Africa. Let's put it that way. Yes. Paul Stewart. This is NQ. Well, MNQ if we're being more specific. Yeah. In the wild, with nature. It's fun. It's a good time. All you have here is squirrels and cats. Ah, see? Boring. No, I'm joking. Safer. Very much safer. How about that weather today? Yeah. Nelio, yeah. We say no more. What's it? We listen, but we don't judge. But we judge a lot. But anyways. Bob. Yeah, that weather. Listen, here in South Africa, it was flipping boiling. Oh my gosh. And apparently tomorrow it's supposed to be even worse. It's supposed to go up to like 31 degrees, real feel 37 or something stupid. I'm just like, oh, I'm not looking forward to that. I'm really not looking forward to that. It's just slowly climbing down on ES. I wonder if it's gonna tag me. This is actually giving me a headache. Yeah, Captain Crunch. Well, you say that, Nelia. Remember there was snow on... Where was that pass? What's the pass name? Oh my gosh, I've got the pass. Oh no, guys, this is not looking great for me. I'm not even in this yet, but it's not looking great. Well, I'm in, but I have a sneaky suspicion it's going to just go straight down to my stop loss. But like I said, this was more for mental, just take it and stop being a puck chicken. $12 p.m. 6 p.m. here, I think, yeah. Yeah, Nelia, yeah, no, you're right, you're right. It does not happen often, but there is snow in South Africa. Just not every year, and it depends on where you are, that there is then snow or not. Okay, reject offer VWAP, please, and thanks. That'll be great. Oh, thanks, Knight. Let's see. Yes, Frog. You're happy about winter, so you like the cold? Wow, we are very different people. Why on earth do you like the cold, Frog? Anyways. Oh, interesting. Well, let's see. There's a little bit of liquidity. Maybe it grabs the liquidity and then goes up on ES. I'm talking about ES now. Let's see. I guess at least we got a little bit of volume going for now. Let me not jinx it. Watch it now. Just stop. Or like I said, it's just gonna come and take me out. Take me out of my misery. Up. Not literally, come on. You know what, Frog? I was judging you, but that's what I always say as well. You can't do anything about the heat, but at least in winter you can just add more layers. And there's heaters and lots of blankets, but in summer, if it's hot, it's hot. Well, at least now I can just go jump in the ocean. That's quite cool, I guess. Nelio's yes and no. So I use fair value gaps as well as order blocks and liquidity and VWAP, so I guess yes. Let's see. You think so, Muller Trade? Interesting. High life. Well, I mean, yeah, ocean with sharks that I was supposed to have swum with, but they just didn't want to join the party. It was a little bit rude. But anyways, it's fine. Ooh, just tapped. Let's see. I think it might just be going down now. Yep, it's going down. Going down, down. Nope, don't sing. No, LP, it does not. But it's fine. At least I took it, right? I just took it. Interesting. Oh no, Knight, I'm so sorry. Did it just stop loss? No, you were break even, right? I'm waiting for the beep. There's gonna be a beep soon. It's just paused on the liquidity on ES. So I think there might be a little jump up and then it might just go shooting down, but let's see. But OS in New York, surely, you know, New York Open is 9:30 a.m. is because that's when people get to work, right? Is that not right? Oh, sorry, Knight. No, but like you said, that's a very good mindset. It is what it is. That sounds bad. No, but it's true. It is what it is. So now will I actually be able to move finally? Starlife for real, only since April? So what's that? 6 months? A little bit longer than 6 months, I think. Yeah, basically. Just before I forget, number one, thank you for the subscription. Crypt time. Nice. Second thing is, I don't know if you can hear my dog snoring, but damn me loud. Okay, that's not actually it. Third thing, if you guys wouldn't mind liking the stream, that would be amazing. Thank you. Oh, yeah, Night, then it's fine, right? Oh, Nelio, that's interesting. So I do both London session and New York session, so but I do have a break in between. I go ride my horses in between. Oh no. Here we call him the orange Teletubby. Please. But oh my gosh, okay. Okay, nice. That sounds like it could be a really decent trade. Below here. So you think it's gonna go all the way down here and then there's gonna be that reversal? Probably. Probably. Seems about right. Hey, well, son, how you doing? Really? Apple butter? You think so? Let's see. That's all I'm saying. I'm just gonna stick with let's see. Oh no, it's gonna come and take me out. Like I said, it hasn't quite taken the liquidity, unless it's just forming equal lows. That could be interesting. Yeah. It looks like it. Here I am hoping. Right, apple butter? Let's go. Let's do this. Aww. Thanks, Night. Yeah, okay, but go have a good night's sleep. I hope you have an amazing night, and hopefully I'll see you again. Yeah? Starlight for real? No. I'm having a bad week. Like I said, I'm very open and honest on the stream. I mean, I have to be. I do all my trades live. You guys can see if I'm talking rubbish. Monday and Tuesday were very much red. Awful. This morning, London session, I had one trade that was a loss. It literally just ticked me out of the trade and then melted down, and it would have been a winning trade. And then I was overthinking my life, so I didn't take the next 2 winning trades, which was a bummer. Same thing with New York Open. There was 2 trades there that I could have, there we go, could have taken, didn't take. And they could have been wins, and now I went and had a loss, but it is what it is. Okay. At least I took a trade, and I'm just kind of going with me. I know that sounds bad, but it was just to take a trade because I was now questioning everything and doubting everything, so. Meow. I'm just not. I'm in a little bit of a losing streak, which is not great, but it's fine. Interesting. Nelio, also YouTube? Yeah. I have 2 streams going, the vertical and horizontal. Yeah, LP. Oh well. Don't worry, Starlight Girl. I won't give up. Don't worry. I'm definitely not giving up. No. If it goes up now, I'ma have a mini hissy fit. But Nelio, that's exactly right, right? No such thing as a losing trade, only a teaching trade. So I have been taught a lot this week. I'm just gonna start saying that instead. You think it's 9:30? What do you mean? LP, if it goes up now, if it actually does what it did to me this morning, where it has just wicked me out and then had a shift, ooh, you guys will see a grumpy goose. I'm just saying. Oh, nice, Nelio. I like that. That's very cool. What the? LP? For... Oh, damn, Starlight for real. Sorry. Well, I say sorry, but are you still learning a lot? I can imagine you're still learning a lot. I don't even think I know of a trader who hasn't been trading for less than 5 years that is not learning still. Even traders trading 5 years, they're still learning things. That's exactly it. Slow and steady wins the race. If it goes up now, I'm throwing things. I don't know what. I don't want to break anything. There was a thing I was squishing it, but it bounces, which is dangerous around things that can break. So let's maybe not do that. Mark, what are we trading? We're trading NASDAQ futures. MNQ, if we shall be precise. Oh, would have just missed. That would have sucked. And this one? Don't know about this one though. No. Nope, this one looks like it could have been good. Bob, ain't no more. This is not great. Ah, interesting, Gapper. You're right. ES isn't such a diva, if we will. ES listens to the rules. NQ just does whatever it wants. Oh, well. LP literally. Oh my gosh. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna stick around for a few more minutes to see if it is gonna go back down, because then I'll feel better. If it starts to go back up, there's gonna be a little rage out. I hope y'all are ready for it. Are you ready for this? Anyways. Woo! The point is we have fun here no matter what. Win or loss, we are here for a good time. Ooh, interesting. Starlight for real. My fault be I'm using Trading View. Is that what you are asking? Hippo Trader 23895. Oh, sorry. Oh, here. Okay. Amazing. Let's see. It looks like it's going to go for that. So you. Nelio? You're gonna make me a quiet Danny. I'm just saying. Okay, just putting it out there. Captain Crunch, no, I am terrified of them. Have you seen the teeth? Nope. I think if you hand raise them, sure, they can be cool as companions. Don't know if I want to say the word pet, but they can be great companions. But I am not catching a wild one, because I like my fingers. They will bite your fingers off. Hey, frog. Here for a good time? Hopefully a long time. Who knows? Let's see. Crash and burn. Don't worry, Bob. Me and you both, buddy. At least you had a good trade yesterday. Yes. Yeah, Mark. I'm on NASDAQ. Well, I'm doing the micros. The micro NASDAQ futures. Oh, okay, I'm glad that it went back down. Oh my gosh, my eye is so itchy. Why is it so itchy? Sorry. There we go. And the streak continues. I thought it was hump day. You know, it's the middle of the week. We're gonna have that shift. Maybe it's because it was the top, right? Now, hopefully, the next 2 days are gonna be the shift, if you will. Ah, well, like I said, I guess it is what it is. And it is a B. I'm gonna stick around for a few more minutes, but that's me. Me being a little salty, madam. It's fine. Probably another 10 minutes because I'm super curious to see, is it just gonna start consolidating again? Are we actually gonna get a shift? Is it gonna just keep pushing down? Super curious to see what it wants to do now. Hey Jacob, am I doing good today? Mood-wise, yes, it's been a really good day. Trading-wise, no. Nope, not really. Did I call myself madam? No, I did not. What did I say? Oh, I'm being a little madam. That's like a... It's what I call, like, my horses if she's also being moody. I'm being like, you're being a madam. Sorry, yeah, have your limits and just say, no, I'm sticking with it. I do want to agree with you, though. I'm thinking shorts are the next step, but let's see. Like, yeah, I guess. Oh, interesting, really? Huh. Aw, thank you for the sub. I just dropped my rock I was playing with. That's annoying. Anyways, I tend to agree with you guys. To be fair, I thought it would take the Asia low here and then have a bit of a push up. So maybe that's literally... It got close, it had a bit of a retracement, it just had a meltdown, tried to collect some liquidity, and it's headed back there before it has a shift. Ooh, apple butter, okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see how this goes. Gapper X, uptime. How did you know? Or what indicators did you use? No, Mark, I don't do any of the stocks yet. I just do the day trading and I do some scalping. Okay, apple butter. Well, let's see. Right? Let's see what happens. I believe in you. You've got this. A little bit of resistance. Let's see what happens next. But I mean, Mark, if you're wanting to learn about futures and day trading, well, actually, if you're just curious and bored, this is the place to be because, welcome, we talk rubbish here, but we have a lot of fun. I say that, no, there's rubbish in between the helpful learnings. No, that's not it. The helpful tips of the trades, that's it. Why couldn't you have done... I actually have no words right now. No words. No. Maybe. A little bit. Can you tell? Do I look happy, Frog? Damn. What the hey diddly day. If this hadn't have wicked me out, I would have still been in this trade. And now, oh wait. Now it looks like it wants to actually go up. Aw, thanks, Mark. The chop is real, yes. Yeah. Well, it's a good thing I'm not trading right now, isn't it? Hey, Frog? Yeah. Gonna come at me with your toot, I'm gonna be sassy right back, okay? Like I said, we come here for the funsies in between the trading. Oh my gosh. This might be where I like bash my head against the table, but it's fine, it's fine. I won't do that because we are calm, cool, and collected here. Thanks, Miller, don't worry. Don't worry, I'm just having fun. I know that it is what it is. I think it's just frustrating because both of the trades I have taken today literally just wicked me out by like what, 2-3 ticks, not even, and then look like they're going to go up for a winning trade, and that's just very frustrating. But I know it is what it is. It's part of the game of trading. Oh, I love that. That must have been very entertaining, Mark. Did you get a lot out of it? Apple Butter, how are you feeling right now? Where's your TP? Actually, no, I'm not gonna bother you until you say yay, and then I know your TP's been hit. That was just... Like I said, today feels like bad luck. I know that's bad, and I shouldn't be going off of luck, but anyways. Get a pig's foot. No, I feel bad. I can't do that. I really like pigs. They're really cute. I used to have a pig when I grew up. Nice. Yeah. Something is better than nothing, right? At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Something is better than nothing. Okay, I'm gonna stick around for another 3 minutes to see if it's gonna respect the fair value gap. Apple Butter? Oh, yeah. Where's your TP at, though? Have you just gone for the highs? Wait, I hear you. Let's see. I'm super curious. I'll hop back on tomorrow and go check. I'm assuming this is EST time, right? So New York time. Let us see what happens now. Bum bum bum. So it's stuck above VWAP on NQ and below VWAP on ES. So which is gonna win? Okay, I'll add that tomorrow morning. Let me add it to the notes quickly. I'm gonna have a look and see what it looks like. Mr. Rithen? Interesting. Why there? Sorry, that sounded judgy. Just out of curiosity, why'd you pick that level? Apple butter. Hey DJ Magic, how's it going? Yep, there it goes. Today, I feel like I can't really be upset because I was correct, just unlucky. I know that sounds bad, but anyways. I did not. So I feel like I need to have a drink now. Having a drink now maybe is the way to go. Yep. I think it's just gonna now start climbing, and that's great. That's fun for me. That's really fun for me. Like I said, DJ Magic, I think tonight's the night I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna be like, yeah, you know what? A drink is needed. Oh, I don't even think I have any wine. How disappointing. Oh wait, smile. You're right, just smile. Smile through the pain. Oh gosh, okay guys, but I'm probably gonna call it here for today. Hello Alex, how you doing? Oh, it's okay, Marzia. Marzia, how's it been going for you? How's your trading looking today? Cheers, Bob. How are you out, by the way? Are you still in it, Bob? How is it looking for you? It's one of my own strategies, Alex. Cheers, cheers. Ooh, okay. I'm super curious to see how this works out tomorrow. Aw, of course, High Life. You know what? And it's just another day. So I'm gonna be positive. After each session, I'm gonna say tomorrow's another day. It's gonna be a good day. I'm super excited. True. Oh, nice. Damn, Ozzy. Damn, you went for a very long coffee. Okay, but on that note, I'm outie. I'm gonna see. That was very lame. I'm so sorry I did that. But I will see you guys tomorrow, either London session, depending on where you at, or New York session. I'm looking forward to it. I will be better mentally. I will take those trades. Okay, I will take them. Even if I'm not 100%, I'm gonna take them just to get out of this mental funk. Okay, bye Deadwolf, bye guys. Alex, sorry, I'm from South Africa, but yes, I'm gonna call it there for today. I love you guys madly. You guys are all amazing. Thank you for the amazing stream today. So much fun. Always love having you guys here. But yeah, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button, thank you. Okay, but I love you guys madly. See you tomorrow, either London, New York. Okay, love you guys. Bye.